In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do weighted arm circles, or otherwise known as shoulder circumduction. Now, the first thing I want you to do is pick up some small weights. You don't need heavy weights for this, whether you're doing this for rehabilitation of the shoulder joint or otherwise just as a standalone warm-up to warm up your shoulders before exercise. So what I want you to do, pick up some small weights, feet hip width apart, and then what you're going to do is raise the weights away from your body until your wrists are in line with your shoulders. From this position, you're going to pick your desired amount of time you are going to do your arm circles with. You don't have to go crazy in terms of the arm circles. They don't have to be really big. Once you've done your desired amount of time doing the arm circles one way, you're going to do exactly the same the other way. So make sure, however long you do anti-clockwise, you do exactly the same length of time clockwise as well. So that is feet hip width apart, shoulders back, coming up to a position where we've got the weights in line. So from wrist all the way to shoulder, we do our arm circles one way. Once you've done your desired amount of time, you're going to do exactly the same the other side. That movement is called shoulder circumduction, or otherwise known as weighted arm circles. Make sure you repeat for your desired amount of sets and seconds, and make sure you do exactly the same on both sides, even if you've just got an injury on one.